What up, everybody? We on our way to go get a puppy.
What up, everybody? Hey, what up, Mo Squad?
What up, Face Squad? Well, what up, Mo Squad and Face Squad? What is today? What is it, a Thursday, y'all?
Yeah.
It's Thursday, huh?
Yeah.
Y'all finished school?
Yeah.
What up, y'all? Face Squad, Mo Squad. What's happening? What's happening? We got Teal. We got AJ Porham, man. Then we got Faith. Then tomorrow. What's happening, Face? Face Squad, yeah. Well, we're on our way to go get a puppy. Yeah, this should be fun.
Now, if y'all not ready getting a puppy, y'all coming down. What name should we name it?
Yeah, we don't have a name picked out yet. I was thinking about naming it my old dog name, which is Angel, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a boy dog this time. You know?
No, we gonna get a girl dog.
Turn the music off. You're getting copyright.
Have no rights to this music if you guys can even hear it.
That doesn't mean nothing. YouTube's still gonna copyright it. This ain't Facebook.
What's up, Face? How you doing, Face? No, I'm teasing my daughter about her name. I guess everybody call her Face. Ain't that right?
Guys, her name is
But her
Faith.
name is Faith. It's in the Bible. Some of you people know what that is.
Up in the Holy Quantum.
But the dog that we're going to get, I'm not really sure how to pronounce the breed, but I think it's called a gold blue healer, or however you say it. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun one.
Turn the car on.
Okay, I'm using phone. Shoot it up when you pull up.
So, Dad, what you think about this new puppy that we're gonna get?
Always running the potty door, and this one coming in the middle, so approved.
Yeah. It's not that very cold out today, but people said it was gonna be.
Hey, Melissa, I see you watching. I can see you.
Babe, what you think about the weather today? What you think about the weather today? It's beautiful. I can't wait till the snow come. I'm a snow person.
No, no snow.
I'm a snow person. So,
You was born in the north. You gotta be a snow person. But I don't mind going to Florida to visit. I got a lot of friends down there. Rachel A. Mills.
pretty soon when we get like probably at least, I want to touch 1,000 subscribers. That's what, just give me 1,000 for now.
So share.
Yep.
Tell them why we heading here This is the time to subscribe.
Yeah.
Turn the red
Don't
button.
forget to click that button, comment, subscribe, like, you know, mix it all up, do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta
Turn
do.
off. You gotta comment on the face, social media things.
We should go out of town.
I am.
Let me see the, where's your purse? Where's your purse? We're going crazy. You coming along?
No, we're going over grandma. Yep.
No, we're not going over grandma's. This
Live this way.
This is the way, that way, you know, mix it all around, you know what I mean. Anyways,
You know what I mean, Vamp?
I think I am taking over this YouTube. I think I am gonna do it for you guys because they don't know how to do it. Am I right or am I right?
Am I right? Am I right?
Young Drake taking over. Junior.
Yeah. AJ taking over.
I just want to show you guys these beautiful puppies. They're so beautiful. I seen them online. I had to wake up and, Dad, let's go get this puppy, man. Let's go get it. I wanted to. I was desperate to get this puppy. And it's gonna happen. I can't believe it's gonna happen. Yeah, this is gonna be a big, yes. Huh? Coronavirus. And it's real. Tomorrow don't have a mask.
How are you gonna forget your mask?
Because she wasn't there.
I'm sorry, you guys.
Coronavirus.
You can't be in the vlog.
She can't.
You better stop and go get her one of them dollar masks. The dollar boys. You know.
Get my shot.
Where are you
She
going?
might not even be dead. She probably got.
He's going to get her a dollar mask.
Yeah, give me a pop.
I'm going to.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
no, I ain't getting no mask.
Go ahead, Dad. My dad's doing all the shopping today.
Yeah.
Next vlog, I got you guys. We're gonna try to switch it up. You know what I'm saying?
Well, no, I mean,
Anyway, you don't want to put how much you make out there. Not just yet. Not just yet. Because we're still at the low bottom. But we're going to get at the top. You know, you guys know. Make sure you give me That was grimy as hell. Make sure you give me a Sprite.
Sprite?
Yep, thank you. Y'all got something to say? Faith? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, boy. Man, I bet they did. What was that, a train? Yeah, that person did. Miracle crashes falling thing. Miracle, so what? They survived that.
Survivor.
Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name? What squad is you? Yeah.
And I'm not face.
Not Face. Her name is not Face. It's Faith. With a TH.
Yep. Not face.
What are we doing today, Faith?
We're going to get a new dog and go to shopping for it.
Yeah. I think I'm getting tired already just sitting here. Yeah, why you ain't going there and ask?
I said, is y'all for the
Yeah, they're already in there. You better go up in there.
Go ahead.
You better go up in there and tell them to get y'all the juice or something.
See, they text me, they something.
I really don't know how I'm gonna do this yet. Either let the puppy come to me or pick the puppy out. But usually some people let the puppy come to them and, you know. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet.
Get the puppy out. I bought the biggest trip ever, you guys. Dad, look at this chip.
You don't wanna be bothered with her. What?
Dad, look. The biggest. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Last time I went to my house.
You wanna come say hi tomorrow?
No. Look. She trying to hit me.
I guess this is what I get for having girls. I got 2 boys, 3 girls. Let's go. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. See, there you go. You ate all.
Never mind.
No, you're not. I just told you, man, see,
Just a little sip.
Nah, that little sip was up in there. You could have went up in there. Hey! They gonna have to start the, No, you gonna have to go get them something to drink. Why you get them some hot Takis and nothing to drink? Come on, that's how Granddad is
Got
doing.
water in here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yep.
See, he lied.
Huh. Here. I don't know he got water. Where's my water? Huh. Tomorrow, you want your water?
Take that.
No, back here.
He told me to drink this hand sanitizer. What? Really?
They text me. Here.
Don't forget the editor.
Thanks.
Now back to the house.
If swing don't come out,
Oh,
it's like, I think that's the things on it.
Excuse me. Sorry about that. Sorry.
Belching not allowed.
Smell like old chicken.
How the dog gonna get to know you with the mask on?
But it's just where it's at. Pet City, yeah. What the hell? We here already?
Pet City been here for years. 30 years, I think.
This the one I came to?
Yeah.
Well,
We here.
well, guys, see you later.
Not see you later. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
We got more for you.
Bam!
You gonna be showing the name of it?
I didn't know this one.
That's Face Squad. What's up, Face?
I'm gonna break your glasses. If you keep on doing it.
Dang,
So
she
trying
crucial.
to here, guys. Pet City. Hold on, pick on. That's what we give it now. That's what we give it.
You guys know anything about these birds?
Yes.
Like the blue healer and stuff like that?
Yeah.
How active they are and everything?
Yeah. A lot of energy.
So you guys had to do kind of big things.
Outer space.
Puppy.
Give me my hand. There we go.
Oh, yeah, we did that one.
Yes.
What's wrong with boys?
Nope, we did that one.
That's a boy dog.
No, this is
You should have did like Angel.
Why not get a go at that again?
like female dogs.
There we got a we got a foot.
Did you get Coco? Y'all comment down below. Give us some names, y'all. Give us some names.
Give her a couple minutes, she'll open up a lot more.
Yeah, I want it. You might just start getting paperwork.
Want to put in the AJ for me?
Hi, puppy. How old is she?
Want to put in the AJ for me?
How old is she?
How old is she?
She's scared. She's scared. Look at this one, guys.
Yes, I know the one so adorable. Good. She just got stuff on this.
Okay, but like that's still gonna right there. Her and AJ getting along good. You better be good dog. You want a master.
Nope. I gotta take a picture.
That's our puppy, AJ. That's our puppy. See, we gotta go look for one of those at Walmart too.
Well,
The doggy doormat. Put it by the back door. That's a metal car. So we got 3 dogs in one day.
yeah. Green Star, man.
Star.
Yeah, her name's Star.
I'll get her.
Star saying, take me home.
September 6th. We want them. that's fine.
Alright?
Okay.
And I will send you guys home with a little bit of food, a couple of treats, stuff like that to get you guys going.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Everybody, meet Star. New friend.
Everybody needs stuff.
Hi, Star.
Hi, Star. Star. This is our new doggy. She's Star. But I want Star. Here. I want that one.
Stay tuned. Bow. We out.
Let's see stuff. The dog he picked up.
Say hi, Star. Say hi, Star.
Finally got him.
We got the baby.
Hey, come to Pet City. They got a lot of other dogs. You need a good home. You live local. You live somewhere. Come check out the dogs. They need homes. Pet City Plus. What is a Pet City Pet? Well, you can look it up. PetCityPets.com.
And she's so nice. And scary. Oh, no. No, 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 no.
You finally made it home with the puppy, y'all. Guess what name is she? What's her name?
Star. And she's very scary, so
Guys, that's tomorrow. She about to get her hair done.
I'm gonna go wash my hair now.
Later, we'll do a tutoring over here. Look at the report, y'all.
She tries to borrow my shoe, but she don't know how. See?
New addition to the family. She likes shoes. What's what we do?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
What about the bell?
And the little
Start just subscribe to the channel.
subscribe. Subscribe.
She's gonna play y'all. Peace.
Bye.